In this video, we will create a simple Java program and understand what is a class, variable, constructor, and methods. We will also see how to run the Java program from an IDE. You should already have the JDK and an IDE installed on your computer. If you don't have those, I have put the link in the description for that setup. I'm using IntelliJ IDEA IDE. The program we are going to create is to add two numbers. First, we are going to create a new Java project. Click on Next. Next. And the project name I'm giving is first project. Now we are going to create a Java class in the project. So right click on the source folder and click on the Java class. The name we are going to have for the class is add number. So the class name starts with the capital letter. Every line that we write, the Java execution code should be inside the class. We are going to use this class to add two integer numbers. So we are creating instance variables num1 and num2, and to store the sum of these numbers there is a variable sum. Instance variables can be accessed from the methods of the class. Class contains methods to perform tasks. In our case, we have one task to add two numbers. So we are adding a method calculate sum here. This is going to put the value of num1 plus num2 in the variable sum. Another task this class has to do is to print the sum on the console. So we are adding another method to print the sum. Here's the statement to print anything in Java. We have taken care of adding the two numbers and printing on the console. We also need to add the code to accept the values of the numbers in the class. Usually for such purpose, constructor is used. Constructor is a method having the same name as class. When an object is created, constructor is called and we can pass the values in the arguments. So our methods are ready to accept the two numbers, calculate the sum, and display on the screen. Now we need to create the object of this class and call these methods. We can do this part from a different class, but for the simplicity, we are going to do that from the main method of this class. Main method gets called when we run the Java class. Here's the signature of the main method. Here's the syntax to create the object of the class. We are passing the two numbers through the constructor. Once the object is created, we have access to the methods of the class. Comments are also one of the important part of a program. Comments are not executed by the compiler, but are used to explain the code. In Java, single-line comments start with double slash. Multi-line comments are between slash and asterisk. To run the program, just click on the Run button here. You will see the output on the console.